everything today. We have a little building here to strap up in idea. Yeah, man. Want to strap up that building here, you know? One have a little charge them. See what charge they see them here. Box and cast. All of them column there. That's what I mean? Yeah, struck tight up, you see? Yeah, man. So you don't know now we're there, you know. You see me? It's a lovely view. See the same way. Fully bad. Nice view, man. See the breadfruit the right away on there, so. Just want some ackee now and 2 coconut. Fully, man. They are outside today do the right thing. Construction are going today, see? Yeah, see it there? You see box them forward up there. I'm a bad brother there, and not there and sad there, man. They are box up the people in place, you know. I go pour some concrete today, some sand and gravel and stone. Yeah, fill up them box, yeah, next 2 day time we pull them off. Yeah, man, next 2 day time we pull them off, yeah. Yeah, man. So you charge you up there and make sure it's nothing in bust down. Yeah, man, like and subscribe and share. Yeah, man. Better than stay soft. Now left out Donny Money Studio now with Jenna. It's a blessing that sky fruit.
Yeah, man, it's a sky fruit, this, you know. Yeah, man, it's a catch I think. You see there? Sky fruit. Right,
yeah, we are going to roast one to them, my Rasta brother. Don't. We there I finish the work, see them where. Put up a box them today. We are going to mix some concrete, cast up them column and them beam, yeah. You know a thing about. We have to secure the strength here, man. Babylon give people them bread, but I and I as Rasta prefer bread fruit. Brave fruit. Yeah, I and I prefer brave fruit.
Otherwise, a sky fruit.
Blessed.
What the next sky fruit thing?
One over your head, blessed.
Yes, I want the next sky fruit thing, guy.
Yes, I.
What the next sky fruit thing, guy?
Blessed, I. Yes, I. That's how we do it, you know. Prepare our own food. Yeah.